Alright, take out a highlighter. Now we are going to learn exponential graph. Exponential graph. So just now we learned, so what have we learned so far? We learned x to the power of fractional power. Then now we learn x to the, what does exponential means? X is the, you don't know, huh? So can we explore what is exponential? Exponential means, can you write down? Exponential means the x is at the power. Understand? Kunz, can you give me an equation where x is at the power? Y equals to 8 to the power of 2x. Very good. This is called exponential. Okay, this is called exponential. Whatever x you want. As long as x is at the power, it's called exponential. So whatever we learned just now, it's not exponential because the x is at the base. Right? X to the power of half. X to the power of 1/3. The power is a number. Now the x upgraded, swap place. So how does it change? Aeroplane, good. See? That's the power of focus. So aeroplane. So how do I draw aeroplane? From where? From 0. Got touch or not? No touch. No touch. It must always be a line that is very close to 0, but it's not 0. There's a name to it. The x-axis is actually the asymptote. Asymptote means it will not touch. It will not cross. It will not cross. And the beautiful part, why Kunz can recall his aeroplane, because this is covered in Emacs, right? It's already covered. Now, when A is between 0 to 1, what does it mean? That means now I have y equals to half to the power of x. How will it look like? Do you think it's still the same shape? I'm not sure. Shall we check Desmos? Okay. Now let's go to Desmos. Let me draw the first one. Let's try 2 lah. 2 to the power of x. Do you see the awkward line here? Is it touching the x-axis? No. No. Even though I zoom out, it seems like touching, right? But is it touching? It's not touching, So the graph look like that. Yeah, aeroplane fly up, correct. Freeze. Let's go to here and let's draw the next one. Y equals to 0.5 to the power of x. Oh, what happened? Aeroplane fly down, right? Aeroplane fly up, this aeroplane fly down. So what do you draw in the conclusion? If A is a decimal, that means it will like flip, reflect on the y-axis. Okay, so let's go back to the graph. So how we draw this? Still cut at 1, 1. Does it cut at 1, 1? Yes, right? Oh, it still cut at, oh, sorry. Does it cut at 0, 1? Yeah, both are cut at 0, 1. So I go back to the graph. And then I'll draw like that. Now, can you draw a summary here? Can you draw a conclusion here? If A is a decimal, or if A is a fraction, what happened to the graph? Reflect where? Reflect the y-axis. Whatever is here now, like reflect. The mirror line is the y-axis. I sense that the energy is very low. Like you're very restless. Why? Oh, okay. Well, now the challenge comes. Do you want to answer this? What happens if A is negative? Shall we try? Yeah, the X is positive. So what happens when Y, can you try now? Y equals to minus 2 to the power of X. Can you try? The green line. I don't know. I got to call out the decimals and check again. Y equals to negative 2 to the power of. Before I click X, you want to guess like how it looks like? The red line is here. The red line is here. If the number from 2 now change to negative 2, Isabel, can you predict how the graph, this red line will look like? Just now we mentioned something about the negative sign here. Reflect. Is it go down or is it reflect? Reflect. Let's try. I press X and see. Oh, sorry, I press X wrongly. Oh, you are right. That means when there's a minus in front, it's actually a reflection on the x-axis. Isabel, right? So you can include that as well. So it's like that. Then you can safely answer. Hey, easy lah this one. Hello. I just reflect where? X-axis, huh? Yes. Yes. Later when you learn trigo graph, it's like that as well. Yes. Yes. You can drop out of Amex when I say you can, but none of you can drop out of Amex.